Hi, I'm Brian Donato and I'm the Customer Success Manager here at IFI. I'm located in Maine, but I work with customers all around the country who work with businesses that work all around the world. I'm here today to talk about reporting and dashboards with Sage Intacct and how you can save time and increase accuracy to give you more insight into the information your business needs to make important decisions. We've all seen it before, reporting that gets taken offline, put into massive spreadsheets, managed manually, and needs to be updated in different places by different people to get some sort of real-time data. Mistakes can get made, it's very tough to manage. And how practical is that when you need to deliver the different reports to different investors, executives, board members, and department heads? Coming from someone who used to do that, I know how much time is invested in that and how much can go wrong. I've been working with Intacct for about 6 years now in a few different businesses. And I've seen the power behind building reports and dashboards that provide the right information to the right people all in real time, saving countless hours both in creating and verifying the data. With Intacct, you can use dimension-driven data to create reports that analyze the performance of your business. So what are dimensions that I'm talking about in Intacct? Well, dimensions are really attributes. It's another word for it. Think of any single transaction. You have your AP bill. An AP bill has a vendor on it. You have a specific office that it might be for, so that's your location. And then you have maybe a job that's related to, so that's your project. The project, vendor, and location are all specific attributes that are basically called dimensions in Intacct. But what if you have a CFO who doesn't need to know the specifics of one bill and which project it belonged to? This is where a dashboard might come in handy for you. With dashboards, you can have different reports and performance cards which would indicate important time-specific information such as cash balance, current revenue, and AP and AR aging. This person could pull the dashboard each morning and see those values and make important decisions very quickly without having to search through reports or update based on daily information. The power of these dashboards is that they provide the right information to the right people. Permissions get added to reports to restrict data accordingly so that there aren't concerns around who has visibility into what. The reports can be set on schedules to be emailed out from Intacct to non-Intacct users so that, say, an investor could get a weekly report only for their eyes sent directly to them. There can also be visual indicators put in place that will draw attention to what the viewer needs to see. Let's say your actuals were 25% over budget for a month. Your threshold is only 10%, and you want to see that very quickly that you're over budget. The visual indicator could be put in so that you immediately draw your attention to that variance. So why am I talking about this with you today? I feel it's very important with my background as an AP accountant needing to report specifically showing me vendor and payment information and working my way up to being an accounting manager where I needed to see high level information that I could make quick decisions off and know that it's accurate. Everyone has their part to play in their business. What we're trying to do is to provide insight into your business's data so that no matter what position you hold, you are seeing the data that you need to see, and that is helping your performance at your job so that your job and business can succeed. There's nothing worse than spending extra time doing something your software can do for you, accurately and timely, so you know you have data to depend on. So I hope this video has given you a little insight on what Sage Intacct can do for your business reporting needs and how we at IFI can help you to get your data the best way that possible. Thanks for your time.